Hi everyone, today I'll be using two scarves to make Iqhiye. As you can see on the picture, I want to have more volume on my doek. So I'm using a black scarf as my base and I've folded that into a triangle. Now because I've got short hair, it's really going to give me a bit of a push in terms of volume. So I placed from the back, tie it in the front and let the middle piece just fall over your face. I'm tying that, not too tight, as I'm going to add another layer on top of this one. So I adjust it well so that it's comfortable. Now you're ready to add your second piece. So you can always add more than one depending on what you want. Sometimes you want more than one color and so forth. So I've got a beautiful chitenge material here and I'm folding that into half. This is so that the top of my head, which is the black scarf, can show. I'm tying that over the first tie, so you should have about 5 pieces over your head, and you tuck the middle part right upwards, and then you want to just fold the sides together, tuck each side to its opposite side, like so. Now you just want to tuck all the edges in, neat it up a bit, and just achieve that shape that you want. So I like to fold it at the back and it fits really well. So you can have it over your ears or right on top of your ears, whatever's comfortable for you. And voila, there you have it. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe and like and tell me what you think in the comments section.